Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set a daily reminder on iPhone. So if you want to set everyday reminder on your iPhone, either using Siri or you want to manually set this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to set daily reminder on iPhone is go ahead and open the reminder application on your iPhone or use the spotlight search and then search for reminders. Once open the reminder application, then tap new reminder at the bottom left. Now here, give your reminder a title. So I'm just going to say gym. Then you can now give this a description. I'm going to say go to gym daily. So go to gym daily. Then again, come here and click on detail. Once you selected details, go ahead and click on date. Then mark you want to set this reminder for every day, and I want to start going to gym as from tomorrow. So tomorrow, and then what time? The time is 8 a.m. in the morning. Then the reminder, I'm going to say early reminder. If you want early reminder, maybe you want to be reminded 30 minutes or 1 hour before the time, just call me and select early reminder. So in that note, I'm going to select 30 minutes before the time. So I will be reminded 30 minutes before the actual time I'm supposed to start going to gym. Then to set this reminder as a daily reminder, come here and click on repeat. Then here you should see never, hourly, now select daily. Then once you selected daily, another option will come, end repeat. So here, there is no need to end repeat, just click on repeat forever. And then go ahead and click on the heart button at top right. Once you hit the heart button at top right, then you should have your reminder added to the list. And then that is it. You will be reminded every day that you need to go to gym every 8 a.m. And that's exactly how to set a daily reminder on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.